Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete all your Facebook page posts. It's pretty simple. First you want to open up your Facebook, and from your Facebook you want to click on the menu at the bottom of your screen. Once you're in your menu, at the top it's going to show you your page name. My page name is Kevin Vichy Saval. Click on it and it'll take you to your page profile. And once you're in your page profile, right beside edit profile you can see the three dots. Click on the three dots and click on where it says the option called activity log. Once you click on activity log, it's going to show you this option called your activity across Facebook. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to show you this option called post. Click on manage post right below post. Over here all of your post is going to be shown, so just do it individually like this. Click on the three dot delete and wait for some time. Click on the three dot delete, wait for some time, just like this. So if you keep on doing it like this, it'll be deleted. Or you can also just click on filter, click on category, click on your post check-ins, and then over here at the top you can click on all and just click on the three dot at the bottom and click on trash. Then all of your post is going to be taken into trash, and after 30 days they are going to be deleted from trash. But if you want to recover it, then you can just go into trash and recover it within the 30 days period. That's how you guys can delete all your Facebook page posts. Hit the subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll see you guys next time.